Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another great podcast. We are covering, oh my gosh, CES 2020. We're going to be interviewing a ton of booths that you've seen so far with our coverage of the show, and there'll be more to come. We are here with ACINNA booth. You can find these guys in the North Hall at 6738, where all the cool automotive stuff is. And we're talking with Michael. Michael, how are you doing today?
Doing well, Chris. How are you doing?
Awesome sauce. What do you do for these guys?
So I'm the Executive Vice President of the Automotive and Industrial Group.
All right. And what are you guys doing here at CES?
So we're excited to announce that we just took our new car, our test drive car, from our offices in San Jose, drove it here to Las Vegas using our new RTK platform, which I'd like to show you guys.
All right. Let's take a look at it.
Perfect. So if you come over here.
We'll walk back here so you can see the Ace car they got, basically, I'll call it the Ace car.
The Ace car, exactly. So what we're showing here is actually our real-time kinematics platform.
Okay.
We just announced it at the show. We're very happy that we were announced one of the top 5 booths to see here at CES this year. Mm-hmm. So what you're looking at is our OpenRTK platform.
Okay.
And then a $10,000 navigation system from one of our competitors. It's actually a ring laser gyro.
Oh, wow.
And the whole platform here, the reason why we're showing this and the reason why we've done this is we wanted to compare our system versus a $10,000 or $20,000 subsystem to see how we would perform based on the drive from San Jose to the CES show here in Las Vegas. We're showing the test data here, and I'll actually walk you over.
Okay.
And show you some of the test data. Essentially, what we're showing here is our device versus a $10,000 ring laser gyro product, and we're showing that we are within 10 centimeters of accuracy, 10 to 20 centimeters of accuracy over the drive period of the trip. So
you guys did good.
We did very well. It was a little scary actually coming here thinking we're going to show all this data to CES. What if it didn't go well? Right? I mean, it's still a demonstration live, so it's working well.
My wife gives me a lie detector. I'm like, I know I told the truth, but there are things that could go bad here. No.
But did you, Chris? Did you?
Yeah. Probably. So this is really cool. You guys drove here and you had your problems. That's probably good. Didn't run over any school children. You know, that's always good.
Always a bonus.
So what is it that ACINNA does?
Sure. So we, at our heart of the company is we're actually a semiconductor company. We're a physics-based company. So when I walk you over and show you some of the sensors that we've been developing, we develop inertial measurement units based on gyro capability and MEMS accelerometers. The company is a few years old, a couple hundred people, based in Andover, Massachusetts, San Jose, and Wuxi, China. In fact, actually what I'm showing here is our software that's all open source. We're one of the few semiconductor companies that has open source software, so you can go on GitHub, check it out, download the software, do some machine learning and IR with it. It's pretty cool. So what we're showing here is actually a driver in Wuxi real time. Those green dots are actually this device pinging a satellite, which is the Baidu satellite in this case. The yellow dots are actually where we're using the IMU, the inertial measurement unit, which I'm going to show you shortly, that's in this device. In this device, we have 168 constellations of satellites, or 168 satellites rather, that we can use at any given time, anywhere in the world.
Holy crap. Science, the future.
It is the future.
CES 2020. So you want to show us your the little instruments, the sensors?
Yeah, come on over here.
Okay. See that.
Excuse me, gentlemen, I have to interrupt your meeting here.
Did not plan that out.
So this is the OpenIMU 330. This product is being released right now as we speak. This is the world's smallest, most accurate and precise IMU in the marketplace.
Wow.
Moreover, it's also the least expensive.
Wow.
So all the software for this little device is available online. It's free. The development kit is just a few $100s, and this is almost a tactical grade IMU that you would find flying a projectile, but it's below ITAR regulations and one of the most accurate IMUs on the planet. We're very proud of it, and it's available for sale right now.
That's awesome sauce. So they can go to you guys' website. What's your guys' website?
www.ACINNA.com.
Okay, and they can also come by the booth if you're at CES. Come to 6738.
North Hall.
They're in North Hall. They're right up against the door, so they're really easy to get in and out of. And of course, you can see the cool cars. Tour about, ask them about what they're doing here. Anything more we need to know about what you guys are doing to show, Michael?
No, that's it, Chris. I really appreciate the time.
All right, well, thank you for having us. And to my audience, please tune in. Stay tuned as we cover all the wonderful booth things we'll be doing here at CES. This has been a lot so far, and there'll be a lot more. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.